places in our area. Listen to them as you pass by on Dropz app. I'm learning about the birds along the Rye River. Follow my Dropz when you're here and I'll tell you all about them. See if you can spot them too. Along here you'll see mallard ducks. The males have beautiful green heads and the females are speckled brown.
Follow me on DropzApp.
Follow my Dropz on Dropz app and I'll tell you all about the flowers here along the riverbank.
We are creating Dropz